So Google's working on a new pair of smart glasses, and no, we're not talking about some chunky headset or a reboot of Google Glass. At first glance, you might not even notice anything special, and that's kind of the point. These smart glasses, they look just like a regular pair of specs. No flashing lights, no weird bulk. Honestly, if Shahram Izzati hadn't said something during the talk, most people probably wouldn't have realized they were smart glasses at all. But once the demo started, that's when things got interesting. Live on stage, Izzati showed the glasses translating Farsi to English in real time. It was smooth, like subtitles popping up for a real-life conversation. Then he scanned a book, and the glasses used image recognition to understand the content on the page. Izzati admitted that the AI's ability to see, hear, and respond in real time is still pretty basic right now, but then he stepped it up a notch and introduced a feature called memory. The idea? The AI can actually remember what you've seen. So if you're like me and constantly misplace your keys, the glasses might help you retrace your steps and find them. Wild, right? Now, part of what makes these glasses so lightweight is that they don't try to do everything themselves. They're paired with your phone, which handles all the heavy lifting, processing, computing, and all the AI magic. The glasses just stream data back and forth, keeping them super slim and comfortable to wear. It's a smart move, especially when you compare it to the bulkier XR headsets we've seen from other companies. Google's going for smart but simple, which is actually kind of similar to what Meta's doing with their Hypernova glasses, while Apple and Samsung are chasing more powerful mixed reality headsets that basically strap a tiny computer to your face. But Google's clearly taking a different path. These glasses aren't about overwhelming you with flashy visuals or throwing a screen in front of your eyes. They're about being useful. Real-time translation, super handy. Context-aware object recognition, that's genuinely helpful. And the Gemini 2.0 AI running the show, that's what makes it feel futuristic without trying too hard. There's no official release timeline yet, and we're still waiting to hear more about things like battery life and price. For now, Google's rolling them out to a small group of early testers, but based on what we've seen so far, one thing's clear: Google's not just experimenting. They're serious about making AR glasses that blend in, and honestly, that might be the smarter play. Anyway, that's the latest. If more info drops, I'll keep you in the loop. Catch you in the next one. Peace.